Welcome to DelftStack. In this video, I will show you how to fix the WDF violation blue screen error on Windows 11. First, if your PC keeps restarting, try to boot into safe mode. Restart your computer, interrupt the boot process 2 or 3 times, then choose Advanced Options, go to Startup Settings, and select Safe Mode. This loads Windows with only basic drivers. Once you are on the desktop, start by checking your drivers. Right-click on the Start menu and open Device Manager. Look for devices with a warning icon. Common problem drivers are USB, Bluetooth, graphics, and storage drivers. Right-click the device, choose Update Driver, and select Search automatically for drivers. If the issue started after a recent update, choose Properties, open the Driver tab, and click Rollback Driver if available. Next, disconnect all external USB devices like printers, webcams, external drives, and controllers. Restart your PC and check if the blue screen is gone. If it is fixed, reconnect devices one by one to find the faulty one. Now we will scan and repair system files. Open Command Prompt as administrator. Type SFC/scanO and press Enter. Let the scan finish. After that, type DISM/online/cleanup-image/restore health and press Enter. These tools fix damaged Windows files. If nothing works, click on the Start menu and open Settings. From the left side, select System. Scroll down and click on Recovery. Under Recovery Options, find Reset this PC and click the Reset PC button. A new window will open. Choose Keep My Files. This option removes apps and drivers, but keeps your personal data, like documents and pictures. Next, you will see 2 download options. Select Cloud Download. This downloads a fresh copy of Windows 11 from Microsoft and is recommended if system files are damaged. After completing these steps, the problem should be fixed. Thanks for watching.